Morning class. Are you all there, juniors? Yeah, I hope you're there because you can't afford to come in later. Ready? As usual, what do? We give each other a very good smile. Come on, nice, bright smile. As I said, year to year. Nice, bright smile, class. Everybody be cheerful. God is with us. Anjali, Mallikarjun, Shilpi. Good morning, everybody. Year to year, very big smile. Be cheerful. We shall overcome. Can you see my fist? Yes, we shall overcome. Right? India will defeat the coronavirus. Yeah, we will. We are all part of India, and we will defeat the coronavirus. Yes. Yeah, I love to see those emojis. Grinning emojis. Shilpi. Yeah. Yeah, it's lovely, lovely. Karen, yes. Bharat. Okay, lovely, lovely. I'm glad to see Bharat. Good, great. You're all online. Lovely, lovely. Shall we start? Okay. Class, take yesterday's problems. I did two problems on sequencing. Alright? Take the first problem. The first problem, you take this one. Alright? Now, yesterday, I did not explain to you properly about idle time. Now, in this problem class, you have machine A and you have machine B. Alright? Machine A and machine B. Are you ready? All ready? Now, see, when you calculate idle time, you have to calculate idle time of both machine A and machine B. Is that clear? Machine A as well as machine B. Now, I'll tell you the first machine which is on the left side, that is machine A. How to calculate idle time of machine A. Alright? Look at this. This is machine A, isn't it? For me, this thing is, wait, you see this? This is machine A. Now, see, in machine A, see the last one. Elapsed time is 28. Okay? See this one. Elapsed time is 28. Now, whichever is the largest number is the elapsed time for you. Understand? Suppose one was 30. Any one of machine A or machine B, one was 30 and one was 28. Imagine. 30 is the elapsed time. Now here 28 is the elapsed time. All clear? That is one concept. Secondly, you have to calculate the idle time of both the machines. Idle time of machine A is, plus I have to see, I cannot, wait, idle time of machine A is this 28 and difference between this 28 and this 28. Suppose this one, timeout of machine A is greater than this one, you have idle time for machine A. I repeat, class, supposing you have timeout of machine A is greater than timeout of machine B, you have idle time for machine A. Otherwise, idle time in this first problem, idle time of machine A is 0. Understood? Here, the timeout of machine A and timeout of machine B is same. So, idle time for machine A is 0. Understand? What about idle time of machine B? Now you have to listen carefully to me. This is new for you. See, Sujan has given me one formula which is excellent. but I think I have a little simpler formula. For machine B, guys, you take time in of the first sequence. Okay, write down time in for machine B idle time. Idle time for machine B is time in of the first sequence. How much is it here? 1 plus time out of the last sequence. Time out of the last sequence, this one, 28, minus, everybody listen, time in of the first sequence plus time out of the last sequence minus time in of the last sequence minus time in of the last sequence. I repeat, for machine B, the idle time is calculated as follows: time in of the first sequence, time in of the first sequence. To it, you add plus time out of the last sequence. Here it is 28. So 1 plus 28 is 29. Minus time in of the last sequence, 26. So you get, in the first problem that I did yesterday, 1 plus 28 is 29. 29 minus 26 is equal to 3 minutes. So machine B idle time is 3 minutes. Machine A idle time is 0. So the total idle time is 3 minutes. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3 minutes. I hope you understood. Okay? Please write there. I'll give you 1 minute. Then we will go to yesterday's second problem. Alright? There? Great. Sujan, Shilpi, I have found a simpler formula. Please follow it. Alright. Now, class, we go to yesterday's second problem. Please take yesterday's second problem. Write somewhere. Get ready to write somewhere. Okay? As I told you, the total elapsed time is the highest that you see. Here, you get, yesterday, you got 42 and you get 39. 42 is the highest and that is the total elapsed time. That is total time required for the entire processes. Alright? The first thing is total elapsed time is the highest time, naturally. Now, we calculate, look here, we calculate, it's very difficult for me, man. Not very difficult, sorry. We calculate for this process, I don't know what it was called. I'll call it machine A and machine B for simpler purpose. This is A. For A, the idle time is last time out of the last process and minus time out of the next machine. Time out of machine A is 42. Time out of machine B is 39. So idle time for this machine A, is 42 minus 39 is equal to 3 minutes. Is that clear? Timeout for machine A, this one, is 42 minus 39 is equal to 3 minutes. Now we will calculate idle time for this one, second machine. For second machine, it is, you have to do this, time in of the first process, 2 plus time out of the last process, 39. 39 plus 2 is 41 minus time in of the last process. 41 minus 38 is 3 minutes. 41 minus 38 is 3 minutes. So you had total idle time is 3 minutes of this one, that is 42 minus 39, 3 minutes, and 3 minutes of this one. 6 minutes is your total idle time. I repeat, class, you have to find the idle time of both. Okay, elapsed time is the highest naturally. So now we are finding idle time of this one, that is last time out, 42 minus 39. If both is 42 or both is 39, you have zero idle time for this one. Is that clear? Here it is 42 minus 39. So this one, machine A, or what you call threading, the idle time is 3 minutes. Then for this one, you take the time in of the first sequence. This is the sequence 4. So 2 plus time out of the last one, 39. 2 plus 39 is 41. 41 minus 38, that is time in of the last sequence. 42 plus 39 is 41. 41 minus 38 is 3. Alright. So 3 plus 3. For the last problem, second problem that we did, the idle time, total idle time is 6 minutes. Okay. Now, see in the problem there is running, threading, weaving, etc. as the processes. For simplicity's sake, because it's very difficult for me to show like this, I'll call it machine A and B, doesn't matter. Okay. And even the problem like now, if you want. Ready? Everybody? I hope you understood. Give me a thumbs up, somebody. One of you give me a thumbs up here. Shall we go on? Give me, man. I'm waiting for a thumbs up. Yeah? Yeah, Bharat, okay? I didn't see any thumbs up. Karen, give me a thumbs up. Somebody, Yashaswini, give me a thumbs up. Pavan, busy writing, huh? Or no thumbs up? Sujan? Nana, thank you, sweetheart. I got a thumbs up from Nina. Very good, very good. Shall we go ahead? Yes, Nina, great. Very sweet. Yes. Now, shall we go ahead? I'll do one more problem. Write down a machine operator has to work on two machines. Yeah, Mohan, I got a thumbs up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sweet of you. Yeah. A machine operator has to work on two machines. Is that what I said? Mallikarjun, I got 4 thumbs up. Great, lovely. I'm very happy that you can understand. Okay, enough man, thumbs up now. Let me work. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, Pawan, I got the thumbs up. Yeah, yeah. 7, yeah, yeah. Okay. Now, write down a machine operator has to work. My goodness, look at the thumbs up I got. A lot of thumbs up, man. Nagma, yes, yes. Enough, come on. A machine operator has to perform. So it feels so good, to because I miss you all, man, so much. The way you say, yes, ma'am, no, ma'am, you made a mistake on the board, ma'am. You added 3 plus 3 is equal to 7 instead of 6. Yeah, these small little arithmetic errors that I'm famous for, and yeah, I miss you all, really miss you all. And nice to see that you're in it. Good. But we'll go ahead. Okay. A machine operator has to work on two machines. Two machines. Okay. A and B. Okay. Find the best sequencing. Find the best sequencing in order to minimize the total elapsed time and the idle time. You should see the thumbs up here. It looks so nice. All thumbs up. Yeah, great. Ready? If I was in college, I would have ordered thumbs up for all of you. Yeah? Banta hai na? When I come back, we are going to have a party. All on me. Yeah? Samosa, jalebi, and some drink. Not those drinks, no, which with carbonated drinks don't want. Something we'll buy. Yeah? Some juice or something. Right? See, I've given you a promise. Keep me on it. The first or second day that you come, we are going to have a party. All of you on me. Yeah? Or cake and chips, whatever you want. If samosa is not up to, many foreigners are there now. If you don't like samosa, it is cake and chips. Alright? I'll bring. There's a lovely bakery here near my house. I'll bring and come. And now that my son has bought me an automatic car, so a second-hand one, but I can drive and come because automatic cars I'm allowed to drive. So I'll be back on the road, so I can bring anything on my car. It'll usually become a warehouse. My car is a warehouse, so I'll come. Okay, okay. Here we are. Ready? Yes. Party, party, yes, party. Dev, party. Oh my goodness, meeting you will be enough, man. Yeah, not enough for me. Yeah? Okay, Situ. Let go ahead. Let go ahead. Let's go ahead. Let me not waste time. Okay, finished. Now you have to do seven columns. Okay, let me rule also. The first column will be job. Under that, I'll write MA, which means machine A, and MB, which means machine B. Now you have to have six jobs are there. So 7 columns totally. 1 column we have ruled. 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, rule everybody. Okay. Now I'll start telling you of number 1. Number 1 is 3, 8. 2 is 12, 10. Alright? 3 is 5, 9. 4 is 2, 6. 5 is 9, 3. 6 is 11, 1. If any of you have missed any numbers, please copy. Now it doesn't tell us whether we have to do in AB or BA. Alright, everybody? We'll do the solution. For the solution, please rule 6 squares like how we do. So solution, right there, solution, and rule the 6. Rule 6. Alright, I have ruled. I hope you all are ready. Now we go into all the numbers. Which is the smallest number? Job 6. 1 is the smallest number, right? So we will allot job 6. Wait 1 minute, I forgot to write that A and B. Because if you don't like that, you may get confused. See? A and B above that. So we will start allotting to B. The first one is job 6. Alright? So, what you do is, you just cross job 6 just to, because we should not get confused. Alright? Now, which is the next one? You have two choices. You have one and job number 1, and you have job number 4. No, sorry. We have number 2, isn't it? In job number 4, we have 2. So we give, and that belongs to machine A. Very fine. We give job 4 to machine A. Strike off 4. Next, we'll go to, there are two choices of this one. It has to go, see, A has to get 1, B has to get 3. So we will allot, first we'll give 5 to B, and then we'll give 1 to A. We have 2 jobs left. Everybody understood? We have 2 jobs left. So we give 3 to A and 2 to B. So it will be 3, 2. So the sequence we have is 4, 1, 3, 2, 5, 6. Alright? I'll give you 1 minute to see that. Any problems? No. I'll repeat what we did. We give first, 1 is the smallest one. So job 6 we gave to B because 1 belongs to B. Next smallest one was 2. Job 4 we gave to A. Next smallest one was 3. So 1 job has to come to A and 5 job has to go to B. Accordingly, we gave 4, 1 and there 5, 6. Then if you see 3 and 2 is remaining, naturally in 3, 3 should go to A, isn't it? Because 5 versus 9 it is, and then 2 has to go to B because 12 versus 10. All clear? Now we rule. Now when you rule, make sure that time out has enough space. You have to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. Column 3 and column 5 should be broad. Let us rule. You write here first job sequence and make it thin. You give the job sequence 4, 1, 3, 2, 5, 6. Class, this table showing elapsed time, and you can write there table showing elapsed time and idle time. This table is most important. That is why in the whole problem. That's why give maximum importance, maximum space. When you present it in your exam also, let there be a lot of this thing. What is it? Space and importance for the presentation of this table. Alright? Yeah. Ready? Rule please. Machine A, time in, time out. I'll just put T, okay, tin I put, and TOUT, okay. Time in is thin because we have the single numbers we put there. Time out you give broad, and then machine B, TI in and TOUT, T full stop. Okay. Now rule horizontally. If you have blank papers like mine, if you have book, it's okay. You have to rule if you have blank papers than mine, otherwise you'll get confused. Ready? Machine A, time in, time out. Machine B, time in, time out. Ready? I will start. Machine A, time in is 0. So, 4 job for machine A was 2 minutes. In timeout, you put 2 minutes. For machine B, it is 2 minutes is the time in, and 4 job 4 requires 6 minutes. So 4 plus 2, sorry, not 4. I'm sorry, class. Job 4 requires 6 minutes on machine B. So 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Alright. Now bring 2 as time in and 8 as time in for the next sequence. Immediately that you get time out, bring it as time in for the next sequence. Ready? Now look at sequence 1. 1. 1 has 3 and 8. So we time you have to take as 3 and 8 for job 1. Next is job 1. So time out for machine A is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Okay? 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Everybody ready? One second, class. Sorry, class, I made a mistake. 8 plus 8, isn't it? 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Class, job 1 has 3 minutes for machine A. I keep following this book. There are a lot of mistakes. I'm sorry. Now, I repeat. Job 1 has 3 minutes. So, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. In B, it is 8 minutes. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Bring it down. So, this is the correct thing. That's why I miss you all, say, ma'am, you're writing wrong. Right? 3 and 5. Now we come to job 3. Job 3 has 5 and 9. So 5 plus 5, 10. Bring 10 down. So 16 plus 9. It's hot now. 9 is equal to 25. Bring that down. Okay. Job 3 has 5 plus 9. Isn't it? Okay. Now we come to job 2. If I am committing any mistake, please immediately write to me. Alright, I'll check whether anybody has written. No. Alright? Okay. Now job 2. 10 plus 12 is equal to 22. Bring 22 down. 25 plus 10 is equal to 35. Alright. Now job 5. 9 and 3. Isn't it? Yeah. 22 plus 9 is equal to 31. 35 plus 3 is equal to 38. Is that clear? Now job 6. Job 6 is 11 and 1. 31 plus 11 is equal to 42, and 38 plus 1 is equal to 39. Everybody ready? Now look at my work. Write down total elapsed time, that is naturally the highest time, is 42 minutes. Total elapsed time is 42 minutes. Right? Idle time for machine A is idle time for machine A is 42 minus 39 is equal to 3 minutes. Idle time for machine A is 42 minus 39 is equal to 3 minutes. Idle time for machine B, already idle time for machine B is 2, that is time in of first sequence, plus 39 last timeout, or the timeout of the last sequence. 2 plus 39 is 41, minus time in of the last sequence. 41 minus 38 is equal to 3 minutes. 41 here. 2 plus 39 minus 38. 2 plus 39 is 41. 41 minus 38 is 3 minutes. So total idle time is idle time of machine A and machine B, that is 3 plus 3, 6 minutes. Alright? 3 plus 3, 6 minutes. Okay? Now I think I will go to jobs for 3 machines. Okay? Write down processing n number of jobs through 3 machines. Getting paper. Okay, n number of jobs for 3 machines. Already I used to do on the whole sheet, and then I used to find it difficult to show you. Now I do on half sheets and it is easier to show you. Ready guys? Now 5 jobs, write down next problem. 5 jobs need to pass through 3 machines X, Y and Z. 5 jobs need to pass through 3 machines X, Y and Z as given below. Find the minimum elapsed time and idle time. Minimum elapsed time and the idle time. Ready? Okay, you have 5 jobs and the first job for details. So 6 columns. Write down. First one will be machines slash jobs. Okay, first heading, first column, heading will be machine slash jobs. Under that you write MX for machine X, MY and MZ for machine XYZ. Then rule for 5 more columns. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Kindly rule, because we are dealing with numbers, we have to rule. Okay. Some of you have, especially Sujan, has sent me a formula for idle time. I'm very happy that you're working out and trying to help me. Thank you. Okay. I hope you find my formula simpler. If not, let me know. See whether you and I get the same answers. We should. Okay. If you find my formula simpler, come on mine. Otherwise, you can do your formula. No worries. See if we get the same answer. That's important too, isn't it? Because these problems, no, working out and the answer is important. Okay, ready. One is 11, 7, 6. Hi, Sainath. Next one, 12, 8, 11. I repeat, the first one is 11, 7, 6. The second one is 12, 8, 11. Third one is 9, 6, 9. Fourth one is 8, 5, 8. And the last one is, fifth one is 13, 6 and 6. Okay. Now, my book says like this. Minimum time on machine X is how much? 8. Look at that. Look at the timing. Wait, I'll show you the problem first. Minimum time on machine X is 8. Machine Y it is 6. And machine Z it is 6. Minimum time. Okay, let it be. I have to figure out what the book is saying. I don't want to confuse you. If it is necessary, I'll tell you tomorrow. There's something that says that if whether the problem is possible or not, I'll tell you properly tomorrow. I'll be telling. Okay? Ready? Now, what you have to do is, we cannot allot to 3, isn't it? So, Y and Z will be added. We will call G. We have to add the timing. See guys, X plus Y will become G. Mom, how is that time, Mom? X plus Y will become G. Y plus Z will become H. So we will rewrite the problem. X plus Y will become G. Y plus Z will become H. Alright? So we will rewrite the problem. Please follow me. the first heading will be, write the solution. Okay, the first heading will be same, M versus G, M/G, that is machines down and jobs that side. So under that you write G is equal to X plus Y, and then below that you write H is equal to Y plus Z. Okay. Now we rule for the other jobs. 5 jobs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you can hear some slurping, that's my dog drinking his water. Okay. Now G plus, what do you get? X plus Y is 11 plus 7, so you will get 18. Next, 7 plus 6 is 13. You have to add. See, 11 plus 7 is 18. 7 plus 6 is 13. Next, we will get 20 and we will get 19. Please finish it. 15 and 15, 13, 13, 19, 12. Your problem will look like this and we are ready to tackle it. Alright? So G will come from the left and H will come from the right. Please rule your 5. Yeah. Oh my God, I am G, H. Sorry, I made it too thin. Alright, G and H. So which one do we do first? The least one is 12. So we will give 5 to H. Alright. So job 5 is finished. We slash it. Next, which is the least? 13. Isn't it? So we will give, there are 3 13s. We'll give to G 4. G gets 4. Next, what do we get next? Wait, 4 I'll slash off. 1, 2 and 3 are there. Which one? 1 goes to H, isn't it? Then naturally you have to give 3. 3 you give to G. Strike off 3. Then you have 2 left. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 5 is your sequence. Ready? Shall we start ruling now? Shall we start ruling? Yes. Table showing elapsed time and idle time. Table showing elapsed time and idle time. Now this we have to do 3 machines. So if you wish, you go horizontal, landscape type. I need the problem as well. So hold on. Yeah. Ready? So what we do is we write the first column as job sequencing and you write it as 4, 3, 2, 1 and 5. Rule of class, you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns, whereas timeout columns should be broader. So the first one is, put it as MX for machine X, and you have time in small column, thin column, and timeout broad column. Next, MY, thin column for time in and broad column for timeout. MZ, thin column for time in and broad column for timeout. I'll just put TI and TO, okay? And if you are make sure you have rows also, rule for your rows, because numbers we should not get confused. All ready? Shall we go ahead? Okay. Look at your this thing. Look at 4. What is the time for MX? 8. So you start with 8. Sorry. Sorry. Time in is 0. Time out is 8. For MY, time in is 8. Time out will be, we are talking about 4. So you get 5. 8 plus 5, 13. And for MZ, it is 13. 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. Please bring the timeout values down. So you will get 8, 13 and 21 as time in values. Wait class. Can you see now? Now next job is 3. Ready? 3 for 3 it is 9, 6 and 9. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Bring 17 down. Then it is 6. 13 plus 6 is equal to 19. Bring 19 down. Then it is 9. 21 plus 9 is equal to 30. Bring 30 down. Alright, now we are going to job 2. We are going to job 2. Job 2 is 12. So 17 plus 12 is equal to 29. Bring 29 down. Then it is 8. 19 plus 8 is equal to 27. Bring 27 down. Then you have 11. 30 plus 11 is equal to 41. Bring 41 down. Yeah, clear? If anybody has made a guess. Now we are going into job 1. So the timing of job 1 is 11, 7 and 6. So 29 plus 11 is equal to 40. Bring 40 down. 27 plus 7 is equal to 34. Bring 34 down. 41 plus 6 is equal to 47. Bring 47 down. Alright? Then, last one is 5. So you get 40 plus 13 is equal to 53. Then 34 plus 6 is equal to 40. 47 plus 6 is equal to 53. Sorry. Yeah, do it please. Already. Now idle time for machine X. Idle time for machine X is 53. You can see this here. 53, alright, minus 40. Idle time for machine X is 53 minus 40 is equal to 13 minutes. Sorry. Oh my god, I made a mistake, class. For X, it is 53 minus this one. 53 minus 53. Alright? 53 minus 53. 0. Machine X, it is 53 minus 53 is equal to, yes, 0. We'll look for the second one. It is 53 minus 40. Alright, 53 minus 40 plus, see, we started at 13 minutes, no? And 8 minutes. So you have to add 13 plus 8. 13 plus 8 is how much? 21 hours. Next, idle time for machine Z is 13. 13 plus 0 you have to go. 13 plus 53 minus 40. How much is that? 13, 47 plus. See, it's difficult. 13, like I told you, 30, what I told you before. 13 plus 53 minus 47. Alright? 13 plus 53 minus 47. Since there are 3 machines, you have to do 13 plus in time of the first machine, 13 plus 0, you don't have to bother because every time you have three machines, it is like that. 13 plus 53 minus 47. For Z, it is easy. Alright. For X, it is easy. It is 53 minus 53. For Y, it is not easy. It is 53 minus 40, as I've said, 53 minus 40, plus you have to take in time, inward time, that is 13 plus 8, 13, 8 plus 13, plus, I will repeat again, look at this. For machine X, it is 53 minus 53 is equal to 0. That is time out of machine X and the last machine. Is that clear? For machine X, it is 53 minus 53 is equal to 0. For machine Y, you see there how I taught you before, 53 minus 40. Which 53? The last 53, that is of Z and of Y. 53 minus 40 plus, how much is that? 13 hours, isn't it? 13 hours. 50 plus, you have to take the in time here, 8. Alright? Please watch. For machine Y, you have to take 53 minus 40, that is out time of this one. 53 minus 40 plus in time inside. Like, okay? Like how I taught you for the last machine, no? It is the same thing. 13 plus 13 plus 53 minus 47. So like that. Okay? And this, God, guys, a little confused for me. What you do is, I taught you, when I first came, I taught you, no, same formula. Alright? Imagine there is no X at all, do the Y. Alright? You will get 13 plus 8. The last one is 13, same thing. 13 plus 53, 13 plus 53 minus 47. Okay? Alright? Anyway, if you're confused or if I've confused you, I'm sorry. I will come back again tomorrow and I'll find a simple way. Let me look into it. I'm a little tired. I'll look into it and I'll give you a simple way. Yeah, 21 is correct, Anjali. But I'll give you a simple way to calculate it so you can remember. Alright? Give me a break. I'm a little tired today. I'll do it tomorrow. Alright? Take care, guys. Just understand the problem. Idle time, I'll calculate tomorrow for you in a very simple way. Alright? I'll tell you very clearly. It's becoming a little difficult holding like this and all that. That's why I was doing on small pieces of paper. This is easy to show. This isn't. Watching and telling you isn't. You've done it properly. Okay? Tomorrow I'll show you, like I taught you in the morning, my mind will be fresh. I'll tell you an easy way of calculating the idle time of all the three machines. Don't worry. I'm hungry as well. I didn't eat anything in the morning. Alright? Thank you guys. Love you all. Thank you for all your affection. Yeah? Stay connected. Stay integrated. Stay united. Yeah? We are holding hands. Yeah, we are holding hands and we shall overcome. Alright? We shall overcome. Alright? Remember, you're going to sing for me. Eric in Swahili. Yeah? Nina, in your language? Alright? That same song, We Shall Overcome Someday. Yeah? We're going to, okay? Love you all. Take care. God bless. Stay inside your home. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Alright? Eat well. See some movies. Do my work. Do the assignments. I will not give you any problem now. Do you want to do a problem? Don't want, I think. You redo that problem properly. Okay? I'll do the problems tomorrow for you. I don't want you to confuse y'all. Tomorrow I'll do another two problems and I can give you an assignment. Or I do not have books. I have just one book, and thank God at least that book was with me. I do not have any other books to support you. And I'm not all knowing, isn't it? To devise problems like in stats, I can devise problems from my pocket and give you. But or no, there I may make mistakes. I'm worried. Okay, so take care. God bless. Come back tomorrow at 11. Bye.